My hypothesis mainly discuss how to excavate the order in space and shape the spatial logic to help autistic children adapt to the living environment and live a better life. The number of children with autism has been on the rise in recent years. These children are more exposed to the physical environment than the general population. They see the architectural space like through the kaleidoscope to see the world. When children with autism find it difficult to adapt and accept their environment, negative behavior can follow. An orderly architectural language and logical spatial planning will help autistic children grow up and make full use of various architectural means such as color, material, texture, space, light source, and so on, to reduce the possibility of self-injury. On this basis, a living space suitable for young families is created to provide parents with a more comfortable living environment while taking care of the needs of autistic children. The environment in which autistic children live should prepare them for the challenges and problems they face in their daily lives, but should not entirely separate them from the external environment. Therefore, a space that does not over-accommodate their needs, but is orderly and straightforward with explicit functions can more peacefully coexist with their future. This is my design goal. I started with an analysis of the base, as is shown in this diagram. According to the current planning, activity division of the whole site is chaotic, which is not conducive to the life of autistic children. Therefore, I choose my site in the northwest part of the site to facilitate them to go to the hospital and the supermarket. In addition, green space is designed in front of the building to isolate the noise and reduce the noise stimulation to children. Children with autism can be roughly divided into 3 levels, depending on how much help they rely on. These 3 levels have different requirements for space, combined with the characteristics of the design needs to pay attention to a simple list of points. Regular circulation. 2. More rounded corner. 3. 10 steps into ramps. 4. Increased household spacing. I set aside a large area of open space for green space in the design, and used the atrium to form a large open space, and designed a large number of ramps. Except for the elevator, all the ways to go up and down the building are dominated by the wrap around ramps around the atrium, which not only facilitate barrier-free access but also encourage children to play up and down. In the plan design, most of the living areas are interwoven with the recreation and living assistance areas to facilitate the life of autistic families and provide a more relaxed environment for the relatives caring for children. More balconies and open spaces are expected to help families with children enrich their lives in addition to caring for them. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.